Imagine cutting your cooling bill by up to 15% without using a single watt of electricity. No solar panels, no expensive gadgets, just a simple spinning device on your roof that quietly works 24/7. These devices were once everywhere, on factories, farms, and thousands of American homes. Today, you can drive through entire neighborhoods and barely find one. They were so effective that independent tests showed they could drop attic temperatures by a shocking 37 degrees Fahrenheit. So why did they suddenly disappear? And more importantly, should we bring them back? Today we're talking about turbine ventilators, also known as Whirlybirds. These spinning rooftop wonders are one of the simplest and most brilliant passive cooling inventions in history. In this video, we're going to uncover their fascinating story, exactly how they work using ancient physics, the real test results, and why they were quietly pushed out of modern home construction. Humanity has been trying to cool buildings with nothing but wind and smart design for thousands of years. In ancient Persia, they built massive wind catchers called bad gears that could pull cool desert breezes deep into homes while exhausting hot air out the top. Buddhist monks in China's Tang dynasty carved ventilation tunnels into entire cave complexes. Even in medieval Europe, architects treated a building's ability to breathe as seriously as human breathing itself. But everything changed during the Industrial Revolution. Mines needed fresh air. Hospitals needed to fight disease. Engineers started building massive mechanical fans and steam-powered systems. Then, in 1910, an Australian engineer named Samuel Airt had a breakthrough. He patented a simple spinning cowl that sat on top of any roof and actively pulled hot air out. With zero electricity, zero fuel, and zero maintenance in theory. What he created was pure genius. Here's the beautiful part. These turbines don't just sit there. They use three powerful natural forces working together. First, Bernoulli's principle. As wind hits the curved blades, it speeds up. When air speeds up, pressure drops. This creates powerful suction that literally drags hot air out of your attic. Second, the stack effect. Hot air naturally rises. Even when there's no wind, warm attic air climbs toward the turbine and gets pulled out, while cooler air gets drawn in through your soffit vents below. Third, the Venturi effect. As air squeezes through the spinning blades, it accelerates even more, making the whole system more efficient. The result? Continuous negative pressure at the highest point of your house, constantly removing superheated attic air before it can radiate down into your living space. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, every single degree you reduce attic temperature can cut your cooling load by up to 4%. Real-world testing backs this up. A study in San Diego showed properly installed turbine ventilators dropped peak attic temperatures by 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Another long-term study found they increased attic ventilation rates by an average of 15%, with peaks of 50% in ideal wind conditions. A standard 12-inch turbine can move 250 to 350 cubic feet of air per minute in just 5 miles per hour wind. And because they use zero electricity, every dollar you save on cooling is pure profit. So if they're so good, why don't we see them anymore? 3 big reasons. 1. Mechanical issues. Cheap versions eventually get noisy as bearings wear out. That reputation stuck. 2. Aesthetics and HO. As they're very visible, Modern neighborhoods and homeowners associations prefer the invisible shingle-over ridge vents. Many HOAs have even banned them. 3. Modern building codes. New super airtight homes require guaranteed mechanical ventilation. Passive turbines depend on wind and temperature, so they don't fit neatly into strict regulations. Plus, roofers found it easier and cleaner to just install ridge vents instead. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. In the right climate, turbine ventilators still make incredible sense. If you live in the south, southwest, or anywhere hot and windy, yes, a good 12-inch turbine costs $20 to $100. Professional installation runs $100 to $300. In many cases, you can pay back the entire investment in 3 to 5 years through lower electricity bills. They also help your roof last longer by reducing heat stress and moisture buildup. However, in very cold climates or ultra-modern airtight homes, ridge vents or hybrid systems are usually smarter. The best approach? Combine both when possible, but always check local codes and HOA rules first. These humble spinning turbines are a perfect example of how we've sometimes abandoned simple, proven solutions in favor of more complicated and profitable technology. The knowledge of how to cool our homes with almost nothing has been around for thousands of years. We just stopped using it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into forgotten building science, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment. Have you ever had Whirlybirds on your roof? Would you install them today? And if you want to see an even more powerful passive cooling system that needs zero moving parts, check out our video on solar chimneys right here. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next one.